Good morning. All right, good morning, guys. It is Monday, December 15th? Yeah, it's December 15th right now. We've got a busy week ahead of us. I have my exam tomorrow morning. I work tonight. I literally just got to study basically all day. I've been getting ready most of the morning. It's 11:30 at the moment. I'm listening to Jumpers Jump, my favorite podcast. And yeah, I'm just gonna study till I need to leave. I need to leave at like, what time do I need to leave at? I need to leave at 2 probably. So I have I have 2 hours to study. It looks like it's nice and warm out. It says it's -10. Yeah, like the wind is also very low, so thank goodness for that. I also just wanted to say, if you guys have been watching the vlog since week 1, I just want to say thank you for taking the time to watch something I love to do. I think I said it in the last video, but I'm really grateful. And I feel really good about just this month and how much I've been vlogging, because it's something that actually like makes me happy. With that being said, like, yeah, okay, short form content, but like I feel the burnout from short form content. And honestly, like I've always had this love for YouTube that I'm just gonna keep up. So it is what it is. I just want to say thank you for that. And I appreciate all of you that take the time to watch. There was like a little spike in views and I really, really appreciate it. So thank you. I literally love listening to brown noise when I'm trying to focus. It's literally so mind-numbing for those with ADHD. Like it really just stops all the outside distractions. My mom made sinigang. Well, I don't even know if it's sinigang, but definitely sinigang mix. You can make flashcards, and I've literally typed in all my flashcards that I need to know. You can click on this Smart Learn, and you can click it. It'll tap for the right answer, and you can either swipe right and say you're still learning, or you can say you knew it and then flip it to the other side.
Roasting like a hot July. I should be chilling with my folks, I know, but I'ma be under the mistletoe. Word on the street saying it's coming tonight. Reindeers flying through the sky so high. I should be making a list, I know, but I'ma be under the mistletoe.
It's so silly of me to act like I don't need you back. My hobo. Guys, I'm so tired right now. I have my exam at 10. It's 9:05. We're leaving for work. I'm just warming up the car. We have Emily's concert that I completely forgot about. And I thought I missed it, but then I like checked my cousin's text and it was literally like today. We still have to work on our assignment. And then I'm going out for dinner with Britt at like 7 today. But when I tell you I'm tired, I could not sleep last night. I just had so much energy and I'm tired. Like I really hate going into an exam this tired. But it is what it is. We're gonna get through it. I'm gonna get coffee and we're gonna get on with my day. Guys, I was literally watching a vlog. I watched Jumpers Jumps, like, haunted house vlogs, and I come to realize that, like, I just love watching vlogs, and I hope you guys are getting the same experience that I get when I watch one. I'm really anxious for this exam. I think it's better that I'm anxious. Usually I go into exams, like, not giving up. wasn't terrible, but it almost feels too easy. So we'll see how we did. I'm scared. So I'm currently at my niece's school for her concert, and I don't know how much I can actually film of this, considering, like, what's that called? Consent to film. So yeah, we'll see how much of this I get, but I think it's gonna be so cute. And I'm excited to see her little Christmas concert. Bruh, I'm watching my Lolo Park and I have no clue what he's doing right now. Like, he's literally just doing fucking 180 turns in the parking lot and I don't know what he's doing. And I know for sure it's my Lolo. Like, I'm just so confused as to what his intentions are and the way he's moving around. Hey, look at Snoop. He looks so good in a beret. I don't know, Snoop. This might be the look you're giving Emily in Paris. Alright, sad news, but Brett is not feeling very well, so she cannot go out for dinner, and that's fine because I'm honestly exhausted, but I don't want to force her to go out if she's not feeling well, especially right before Christmas. And honestly, I'm trying to avoid the sinus issues that everyone's been having, so that is a-okay. So I got this like mount for my Asus monitor because it seems like my Asus monitor is not what's it called? It's not mount compatible, and I got, but this is what it's gonna look like. It has a bracket. What is this called? I don't know, but it has like a middle bracket, so it's just one, and then yeah, it looks like the mounts are gonna be like over here. Yeah, this is exactly why I'm saving this for after Christmas, because there is no way I'm doing this before that. Okay, not that anyone ever needs this many fucking split screens, but I set up my thing because I couldn't wait. I just wanted to know what it would look like, and I'm honestly, like, it's tough. Like, I'm obsessed with it. I just can't wait to lift all of this and just have more space over here. Okay, I'm snacking, and I don't know where my mother got this from, but it's the Twists salted toffee. So good. What the hell? I did not expect this to be that yummy. Happy Wednesday. All of our plans are falling apart because everyone's getting sick. Britt was sick. Now Caden's sick today. Everyone's just getting out. But there's supposed to be a blizzard today. So I think if me and Nandini end up going out, I'm just gonna ask Meg to drop us off to Polo and get some Christmas shopping done because I haven't started yet and I'm stressed. We still have to finish our paper. This is where we're at right now. Hey guys, we're going shopping. We're gonna.
I got the same jacket as Caitlin.
Yeah, she did. Slay. She's not gonna be cold anymore. Oh, fun.
This is what they call flow state.
Well, Owen and them are also coming to the mall. They're just not eating with us. We're gonna have a whole day about it. It's just starting to snow. I'm scared for this. Guys, the weather app said that it is life-threatening. I think it's a little dramatic, but I'm scared. Okay, well, it's kind of already starting, guys. They said it's gonna be zero visibility. Well, I'll definitely get this, but we can get, like, what else do we usually get?
It's up to you.
Happy hour.
So we usually get,
First page. They're marks. I need a marker.
Miss Moira came to join us. She said Christmas shopping is stressful.
I'm so over it. I just keep, you can have some.
I got clam chowder. Me and Anna are sharing avocado dip.
Yup.
Got some tacos.
Look at that. Look at chicken.
We also got calamari. Damn, Moira, that looks good. We got, that is beef dip. Big Dipper. This is just an update that it never blizzard. It might blizzard tonight, but everyone was tripping. I am all shopped out. I'm tired. I'm over it. Guys, I'm pooped. Like, I'm genuinely tired as hell. I got iced caramel macchiato because I just needed an energy boost, but I'm all shopped out. I spent way too much money today, especially on shit from Sephora, which is fucking nuts. But whatever, it's stuff that I needed and I'm so over it. Okay, so first things first, I got some film. I got some chocolates for people. I'm not gonna show it because I don't want to ruin anyone's gift. You know what? Yeah, I saved $54 on fragrances, so I thought I needed to get two. I wanted to get two of my favorite Kayali's because it was like 20% off of all the fragrances in the store till December 24th. So it's a really good Christmas gift. I got the vanilla 28. I don't care what anybody says. It's like a staple. It's so like, I get complimented every time I wear it, like every time. Other perfumes I don't get super complimented on, but the vanilla 28 every time. I got the Maui in a bottle, and that one is also my favorite like summer scent. This one has sweet banana, pear, coconut cream, jasmine, sandalwood, and vanilla. The holidays are coming up. I literally have no more primer, so I could not hold off for any longer, but I got the Patrick Star One Size Beauty Secure the Glow primer. It's this one and the Secure the Blur primer that I love, but in general I do just love a glowy look, so I decided I'd purchase this one first before the Blur, because at the end of the day, I like the Secure the Blur is just for the days that I'm feeling extra textury, but lately I've just been feeling extra dry because of the winter, so I thought this one would make the most sense. I needed something more hydrating, so I got this Sephora Nourishing Moisturizer. I do like the Sephora line, so I'm not like, I didn't know what to get in terms of a moisturizer. So I thought I'd just get like a plain day cream. It says hydrate and repair, so I'm assuming it's a little bit more heavy. That is all I got today, but I felt like I spent like $5,000 for some reason. I have a lot of things that I want to do. I need to finish editing the vlog because the fact that it's not up yet is crazy and I feel bad. But I'm also just gonna play Fortnite, and I need to stream on TikTok a bit because I need to stream 3 times within 14 days to get the face cam, and I want to do that before the 14 days even goes up because I feel like the traction will be a little bit better if I have a face cam. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm probably gonna edit the vlog a little bit, wait for Bruno and Kay to reply to me.
On it. KJ. What'd you do? What'd you do? What'd you do?
Oh no, don't do that. There you go. Got him. Do not mind me and my hair. Oh, it actually cleared up a bit. But it did end up getting to 0 visibility today. And my parents' flight is delayed. They're going to New York. Nope, it's just... Anywho, I am just staying home because I have everything and more to do in terms of schoolwork. But it actually, like, look at that. It holds a curl very well. Almost better than a curling iron, honestly. Just like that, we're ready for the day. Eggs and corned beef is breakfast today because, you know, Filipino shit. And a nice coffee. And Snoop. Thank you for breakfast. Guys, I'm so determined right now because I need to help make shovel apparently. But I don't know how to run this snowblower. But there's no way I'm using a shovel, so this is where we're at right now. Guys, I did a pretty good job. I cleared the whole driveway in the back. Guys, I'm giggling because it's literally like 7:30. I just hit a wave of like exhaustion after I shoveled the snow. And I think just like, you know, that post-cold tired, and I couldn't deal. I got a few more packages from Amazon for my desk setup that I will end up setting up whenever. I got these like cable straps. I think I'm gonna use them to kind of identify my cables. Okay, so this is, I got Gorilla tape. It's like Gorilla mounting tape. It's heavy duty because I think I'm going to use the Gorilla tape to glue what I'm going to show you guys next. But it says it holds like 30 pounds and this shouldn't be 30 pounds. So I got these like under the table desk management tray because I want to try to hide everything under the desk without it going to the floor. So this, I guess they're both on there, but it looks like this. Nope, it looks like this. And yeah, there's two holes under. This is gonna look like, but I think it's just like a mesh that holds a really long tube, and you can open it. You can put all the wires in there and it'll just jumble up around the wire. So I also got this to kind of put everything together in certain areas. Hey guys, it's Friday. I was literally just kicking with Kiki for like the last like hour and a half. I woke up late because I was up all night watching Emily in Paris, and it was just, it was too good to not. It was giving the Summer I Turned Pretty kind of rage bait, so I could not put it down, even though I wanted to. I literally am so stressed out about the snow, but I'm just gonna Uber because it's still not looking so good. Well, I'm not even Ubering, I'm lifting because the lift is like $8. But guys, why do we live in this city? It's like just still a gusting wind. I don't want to deal with it. Luckily, it doesn't look like my sidewalk is that bad though. Ugh, whatever. Okay, like this is insane. Like just Snoop is not. Snoop, go potty, quick. Oh, Snoop looks so cute. This snow is insane, guys. Guys, I'm literally manifesting that it's not that fucked outside. Because I checked the weather and it's super cold and I'm just not having it. But I need to try to get my car. Like 2 days ago, on Thursday when it snowed, my car was not ready to be out. And I just did the back lane to start it off, but it definitely wasn't, like, I guess my car could have gotten out, but I wouldn't have been able to get into the back because of the, what's it called, because of the snow that was drifted onto the side of my garage to get to the gate. It's actually not that terrible outside in terms of coldness, but again, Meg hasn't been parking. See what I mean? Like, I feel like my car will get out, but look at this. This is my problem right now. I am not taking out all that drift, but I feel like Meg can deal with that. I just want to get my car out. I'm genuinely just not done with this, but okay, so it doesn't look terrible. Like I said, I just have, like, we plowed this, so that's great. I just have to get rid of all of this, which is gonna be very annoying. Again, not dealing with that. But again, my sister was able to get out, but I just don't want to get stuck. Alright guys, we just finished. I did all of that because I didn't want to get stuck when we back up. I kind of fucked up that part, but I don't care anymore. And they plowed, so I don't know if you can see how there's a bunch of ice blocks over there, but I had to remove all that. But the one thing I am not doing is this for Mig. Mig can deal with that because I've shoveled too much this winter. I should not be shoveling this much. Guys, I'm such an idiot. I literally just got my period and I forgot my feminine products at work. Thank God my coworker is dropping them off because I'm an idiot. Alright guys, we are at the end of the week. It's been a very uneventful week because of the blizzard, but me and Kyle are gonna do some errands today. I need to go to Marshall's, complete Christmas shopping for my family. I need to go to Marshall's. I need to go to Walmart, and Kyla needs to go to Garden City, so we're gonna go do that. And then I'm playing Fortnite for the rest of the night. I don't care. Alright guys, shopping was chaotic. But we're just picking up Snoop now. I always get scared to see him because he always looks so ugly when we get him from the groomers. But that's only because we neglect it for too long. Guys, look at Snoop. He's so ugly. Snoop, look. Snoop.
Ew.
Oh, Snoop, you're so ugly.
You're fugly.
This is why I just like having him like fully trim, because our groomer makes him look so silly. Snoop, look.
Ew.
Snoop. He looks so ridiculous.
To me.
No.
Just try.
It's the most beautiful time of the year. Lights fill the streets, spreading so much cheer. I should be playing in the winter snow, but I'ma be under the mistletoe. I don't wanna miss out on the
Why are you standing like that?
but I can't stop staring.
Why are you standing like that? Your phone, mine's over there. What the hell, Snoop? You look so cute. Give me my phone. Where's my phone? Snoop. Snoop. Migs.
Why is your stand so cute?
Kyla is sick, so I'm making her some mushroom soup. We love mushroom soup. I think I'm gonna do 3/4 of the onion. And then I have a whole thing of mushrooms that I'm gonna chop up a little smaller than this already. Cut up mushrooms, but I'm gonna keep chopping them. And then I have 2 cans of Campbell's soup.
It's the most beautiful time of the year. Lights fill the streets, spreading so much cheer. I should be playing in the winter snow, but I'ma be under the mistletoe. I don't wanna miss out on the
Bought some espresso for Christmas because we're gonna make espresso martinis. So I'm gonna make myself a coffee because I'm tired. I feel like 1 tablespoon is usually enough. I'm using this cup I got from Brett. And then I'm gonna put some sugar and some, you know the drill. I didn't know we didn't have milk, so I just put I put just water. So it'll be like a shaken espresso. I did get whipping cream though, but again, I didn't know we didn't have milk. I'm gonna add a little extra today, just because again, I didn't know we didn't have milk. But we have vanilla bean syrup
The committee is where bills go to die.
I'm gonna put
They are
a tablespoon of that.
Before a bill even reaches the Congress floor,
And I'm gonna use my...
floor, okay, to have a full vote, they have to look at
And we're gonna mix it all up.
why embarrassment and remorse are capitalized on perhaps what I guess, right? Well, like,
I'm gonna put more ice and water, so otherwise
he made 418 members of the House have to physically go to the clerk's desk at the House chamber to sign the document. No Republican wants
we're gonna add in those onions.
every Thomas Mass.
Caramelized.
Yes. Republican Speaker of the House Mike
And we're gonna let that simmer for a little bit before we add in the mushrooms, but not too long.
House Representative.
I'm watching
Also,
rotten
like they were
mangoes.
just really trying to
Just talking
not
about
let
the
her get
Epstein
sworn
files.
in to meet certain times of month.
The
and we can't sign her in. Remember,
mushrooms.
it's like, why can't you sign her in? A lot of people have been sworn in when they haven't had everybody present. And he's like, no, it's for her. I want her to get the full experience of being sworn in.
And we're just gonna let that cook. Okay, the mushrooms are starting to brown nicely and like the aromas are exiting. So I'm gonna put one of these and a thing of water because I didn't know we didn't have milk.
Like tens of thousands of videos.
I'm gonna do half a cup of water and then I'm gonna do the other can just so it doesn't get super watery. And yeah, I'm gonna add this other one just so there's lots.
Exploring.
Oh my god, so good, guys. I added chicken bouillon and it just elevated the experience. I feel comfortable posting this because I'm gonna post it and I'm giving all my managers their gifts. But I have some tafife for people. I basically only got Juana and Crystal bigger gifts because, you know, they're special. I can't share all of the things I got for everyone, obviously, but I did want to share this that I found for my grandma. She doesn't like materialistic items anymore, but I thought I could print out some Polaroids and put them in here so she can put them in her house in the Philippines. She loves this kind of stuff. I don't even want Mariah Carey on for a night like that because, like, again, like, it's never that deep. She's cute, yes, but it's not like these back blings. I need them. Like, I need these two black back blings. Okay, this is my favorite part of gift giving, and it's writing cards and tags. I'm including a bunch of Polaroids this year, as I love doing, and I feel like it's such a perfect little gift for like an extra little thing to add into gifts. All right, guys, with that being said, these are the Polaroids. They're so cute. I'm gonna put them in all my cards. I'm gonna end the vlog here. I'm gonna be playing Fortnite with Kay. I'm probably gonna stream, but that is basically all I'm doing for the night. I hope you guys have the best Christmas and happy holidays to you and your family. I hope you guys get everything you wanted for Christmas, but not only that, I hope you guys feel all the love in the world being surrounded by family and friends. And if you are not this year for whatever reason, know that I love you and I deeply care for you. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next vlog. Mwah.